Give you guys a fast little update. Morning guys, so today I wanted to give an update and show you guys what I'm growing in my Vivosun 5x5 grow tent, and I'll also walk you guys through some of the process, like how I repot my plants just for a cheaper method. I use plastic cups, so I'll go through all that step and show you guys in the video. But if you enjoy content like this, remember to drop a like, and I'm gonna get into the video. So today I'm going to show how I transplant some of my plants. I just use these plastic cups. I'm going to walk through the steps and show just how I transplant them for just a cheaper method instead of buying a whole bunch of different individual pots. I think I got a pack of 50 cups, and these were 50 also. They were like 10 bucks. You could probably find them cheaper. So I'm going to get into it. So I'll show you how I start off here. So this clear cup, I'm just going to be using as a catcher to store water in. And then this cup, I'll be using as a planter, planting pot. So I'm just going to make some little holes in it there. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to have holes so it could drain out when you water. And just making little cuts at the bottom there. Nothing perfect, like I said, just so it could drain out. But then when I plant, I'll plant in this one, and then water will be in this bottom cup. So you'll see how it is, and then you could see the space. So I'm gonna get one of my plants, put in this cup so you guys could get an idea of how it looks. I have my tomato plant. You can see I have a little bit of potting soil in the cup. I'm gonna go ahead here and just take this out. Pretty sure I could just plant because this disintegrates, so it's just cardboard. I'm gonna just drop it in there. And I'm gonna fill that up with some potting soil. I'll come back. So now you could see this is just a tomato plant. It's planted now. And what I do is just put some water. That's about that much. You could see, let me see there. Okay, so you could, not sure. You could see the water, so that means I could fill it up some more. Okay. So now, with the water in the bottom, it could feed from the bottom, the roots, or once you start to see the water go down, you basically know the plant's starting to slowly get dry. You could either water from the bottom or water from the top, and then you have a catcher right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go through, fill up the rest of my plants in these cups, and then give you guys a full preview of how everything looks. But if you enjoy content like this, remember to drop a like, and if you want to see an update of my gardening season, remember to subscribe. Okay, so now I transplanted a few of them. You can see, and that's it. And then I just transplanted a few more pepper plants, but these were in cardboard containers. So I just transferred them into this for right now. But the bigger plants, I'm gonna slowly start putting them into these cups. And that's it, nothing fancy, just some plastic cups to keep them in until I'm ready to transfer them outside. So I'm gonna go inside the greenhouse, give you guys a fast little update. Like I said, I did manage to get another grow light. If you guys want to see a separate video on this grow light, it works with my control system outside. It's on a timer, and I could operate it off my phone. But this is like my seed starting section. You could see I have a light here, one up here, and I just keep them on here for when they're started. And you can see I have the rest over here going. These will be going outside. Once the weather is nicer, I'll start bringing some stuff out. I do have some of those medicinal plants, but I can't post them in this video because I'm trying to reach a wider audience. But if you guys want to see those medicinal plants I'm growing, hit the notification bell and hit subscribe so you can see when I post that video. Well, yeah, this is the update so far. And I was showing, you could see the water went down a little bit here. So I need to fill up these a bit, but I think they're pretty fine. And this is a Vivosun 5x5 grow tent. And I'm just starting some of my plants inside from early due to having a short season. And I'm still planting and going. These ones having about 15 each in a tray. And I have some more by the windowsill that I started that I'm gonna go show you guys. But remember to drop a like on the content if you want to continue seeing updates. Well, yeah.